At Tikasi, what is new moon? The moon is between the sun and the earth. Kati, what is the full moon? The earth is between the sun and the moon.
Geology,
The study of earth.
oceanography,
The study of marine ocean.
meteorology,
The study of weather.
aerology,
The study of atmosphere.
astronomy,
The study of everything out of space.
microbiology,
The study of microorganisms.
botany,
The study of plant life.
zoology,
The study of animal kingdom.
ecology,
The study of interactions among organisms and environment.
hydrogeology,
The study of underground water.
lithiology,
The study about rocks.
astrobiology,
The study about origin of life.
pathology,
The study about illness.